Greetings, today we're going to be taking a look at how to find your Windows 10 product key. So first of all, you'll need the machine that you want to find the product ID or product key on, and a couple different programs, or preferably one, that will be linked down in the description. I think you'll know which one you'll probably want to use by the end of this video, or even maybe the middle. So go ahead and log into your machine and go to your web browser of choice. So the first program we're going to look at is one that is widely known by some IT experts, and that is called Speccy. So that's spelled S-P-E-C-C-Y, or it'll be now linked in the description below. So we're going to go to their website and go ahead and download and install it. Okay, so after you've installed it, we're going to go ahead and open it up. And this is by a developer by the name of Piriform. And I believe they are actually a company, and they make many different software and hardware management tools. So you're going to go up here to your operating system once everything loads in. And right there, you'll see your serial number, and the serial number is the product key, or possibly the product key. Now, it's been updated for some versions of Windows 10, but other ones it doesn't work on. So if you're not wanting to install the next program that we're going to be using, I'd recommend checking the video that I did nearly a year ago now by clicking the iCard in the top right of the screen. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to install another program called ProduKey. And actually, I'd like to clarify, we're not installing it. Now, this program, if you download the zip file, can actually just run without in the zip file and not have to install anything. There is a installer if you wanted it, but I would recommend just downloading the zip file. So once again, go to your browser of choice, and we're going to type in ProduKey. And ensure that you click on the link by Nersoft, or you can just visit the description and I will have the proper link there. Now, before you download this or even visit their website, I would like to say I'm not responsible to anything that happens to your computer. This is simply a good product key finder that program that's been around for a very long time, and I would recommend it, but there are a few different things that sound a little sketchy. Now, nobody's found any malware on it, but it is possible that their website could get hacked. So what we're going to do is we're going to download ProduKey using the zip file, and we're going to go ahead and save that, and we're going to download it. And it's a very small file. It's a very, very small and simple program. We're going to go ahead and open it up, but oh no, it's possibly being blocked by Windows Defender. So we're going to have to go into Windows Defender, and we're going to go here, and you will get this error. It is the hack tool Win64 product key.g !MSR, and we're gonna have to go here to protection history, I guess. And yes, that was today. So we're going to go here to actions, and we're going to go restore. So then this is restored. However, I would like to say that it possibly may not be able to block the program in the future if you do this, if for some reason there was an issue. So then we're going to go ahead and open up that zip file, and we're going to double click on it. It's going to ask if you would like to run it. Okay, so now that we have opened up the program, you can see that we have all of our different product keys it found on the device. So I have After Effects 7.0 from like 15, 17 years ago. Internet Explorer, and that gives you the product ID and product key, and the Windows BIOS OEM key. So this is a Dell laptop. They store the OEM key in the BIOS, and the Windows 10 Pro key, which is actually different than the BIOS key. And I believe that is because the BIOS key, this laptop originally came with Windows 8, and when you upgrade it from any other Windows version, whether that be Windows 7 or Windows 8, it actually gives you a different key. So if you are trying to load Windows again on the device, say you want to reset the device, you're going to need that original OEM key, because may or may not work because it was activated using a Windows 8 key or Windows 7 key. So please keep this in mind. I had a lot of questions on my last video about this. But anyway, now that you have found your key, you should be all good to go. By the way, thank you if you have been subscribed since the beginning. I am amazed by the growth this year. I'd like to thank everybody who has subscribed, and thank you if you're watching this and you're a subscriber. If you haven't, make sure to go below this video and subscribe. And I'm Ben, this is Tech to be Discovered, and I will see you in the next one.